Hi everybody, this is the Petit Vour September 2019 box. Let's see what's in it. Be bold, be kind. Alright, so first we got this little card that tells you all about the products. Alright, first thing I see is the Axiology Natural Lip Crayon made with organic ingredients. Color is Bliss. Alright, so let's see. I love this brand. So, let's see. Oh, very pretty. Let's see how this looks. Oh, very nice. Next we have the Seaweed Bath Company Firming Detox Cream, Awaken. So this is a body cream. Let's see how that looks. Feels pretty nice and smooth. Has a nice kind of eucalyptus-y type of scent. I think I just made up a word, yeah. Jane Iredale Lip Lip Balm, SPF 15. Okay, that's good. So that's going to protect your lips from sun damage. So this is a tinted lip balm. Check that out. That looks pretty nice. Let's see how it looks here. So very kind of faint kind of tint there, and it smells really lemony. That's a plus. What else do we have? Oh, we have Moon River's Naturals Peppermint Lava Salt Hand and Body Cleanser. Wow. Okay, I'm excited to try this. And then one last thing. Let's see what we have. So, Lauren B. Beauty Nail Growth Serum. Okay, I think we gotta open it this way. Nail Growth Serum. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you kind of just put it on your nails, I guess. Looks kind of like a skinny brush to get all over your nails, but seems to be working. We'll see. I'll let you know how it comes out after I try it for a while. But yeah, that was it. This is the Petit Vour box for September 2019. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is the gift all new subscribers get. Otherwise, you would just get these 4. Thanks for watching.